interrupt our regularly scheduled program to bring you an NBC News report.
Police reports say that over 100 bodies may have been found, more to be identified. It looks like a tale of ghoulish slaughter.
Chainsawed fingers and bones.
It's hard to believe what I am reporting right now, but the final death toll is way over 1,000. 1,000 human remains have been found inside the Big Top Meat meatpacking plant. And Brinkley, Skinner, and Bubba Swine and their Carnies of Slaughter are the cause of it all. What started out as a routine food inspection has turned into a grisly tale.
9 out of 10 households are found to have unwittingly purchased meat with human remains from Big Top Meats.